This is where we are, Pioneer Resort. Made it to some Zimbabwe. This is a resort. So pan it around. Wow, it's pretty. It's like very tropical.
Very nice.
Palm trees, very nice. This is kind of nice, huh? Brick patio. Yes. If you're new to this channel, right now we are in Zimbabwe and we're gonna stay here a couple nights to do a Jovi safari before we proceed to Victoria Falls. So come and join me with this tour of this fancy Pioneer Lodge. Come this way before we go shopping.
Please come this way before we shop. I'm watching you. Let's take a picture.
Wow. This is the dining room. Very nice. After checking in, we are given a little orientation of the lodge, and of course we were given a welcome drink of some kind of tea, which is delicious, and of course some cool towel to freshen up. And after this, we shall be going to our room. Do a room tour. All right, here's our room, a room tour. We are in room 1.
Ooh, we're mosquito
Wow,
proof.
look how beautiful. We have mosquito net, he said. This looks like a canopy. Look, baboon. I better close the door because we were told mosquito is bad here. So, yeah, very nice. And the porter just brought our suitcases, mirror. We got a coffee bar, a desk, safe. So pretty. The bathroom, oh wow, double sink. Yep, very nice. Nice large shower. Oh, look at that. I love that. Like the rolling shower, that's what I need. Yep. This is the structure around. It's kind of built around the pool. So it's nice. Looks like there's 6 rooms in one building. Very lush and tropical. Very different from the street. This is very nice. People here are very friendly. I mean, of course they're in the service industry, they should be, right? But so far I have not met any rude people on the street. Anyway, so what do you think about this lodge? I think it's fancy and nice, neat. So comment down below and see what you think. And so far so good. That's where our room is right there. What is that? It's a lower deck pool. Wow. A stopper deck. It's very nice. I'm impressed. Very, very nice. Watch where I'm going. Look, go sit over there by the shade.
No, I don't want to be in the shit. We're fixing to jump in the water. It's going to be cold.
Okay, well, I want to get in the shade here. Apparently all these people are gone because there's nobody sitting here. I don't want to be in the sun too much.
Well, let's go and jump in the water.
This is up towards the lobby again. Guess this is the dinner area, breakfast area, whatever you call this place. Nice terrace. It's a beautiful place. This is our breakfast area, I guess. Oh, they're getting ready for dinner. This is the afternoon tea, they call it. It's not high tea, but afternoon tea. Ooh. They had mosquito nets in here. Yeah. So, this is the sitting room, looks like. It's a bathroom. Oh. I guess this is a unisex bathroom. Yeah, nicely decorated. Animal theme. This is the bottled water they're talking about. They want you to be green. Echo drop refill instruction. So it looks like they buy one of these bottles for $10, I think she said. And then you can fill it, I think, as much as you want. Something like that. So they try to get rid of plastic here in Zimbabwe. Neat idea, I think. This is breakfast. So she's just setting up the omelet or whatever station. Yeah. Coffee, and they do bring coffee to your table, and they have just scrambled eggs and bacon, cereal aisle, and then the fruit section. Yeah, our turn down with our mosquito net.
No malaria for us.
Yeah, I hope I don't trip over this mosquito net tonight. We are in a Gate 1 safari tour here in South Africa. And this resort was basically booked by Gate 1 for us. I love this resort. It's very clean. The staff are very friendly and actually honest. We left our safe open yesterday, and they came and locked it up, and nothing was lost, believe it or not. I'm really impressed with what I've seen here so far, and I could not recommend this place. This is highly recommended if you are gonna stay somewhere here in Zimbabwe. Yeah, come stay here for sure. I highly recommend this. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below and what you think about this resort. Yep, let me know. Until next time, bye.